Hi guys, this is Cobra Tom,
And Van Lily.
and we are going to be doing a video today.
And that video we are going to be doing is the Heavy Assault Helicopter Friction Powered Vehicle Playset. And this is U.S. Army. This, I believe, yep, officially licensed product. So, very cool. Now I have to be extra careful because, look, I did cut myself on the last video because I'm a dope. This is why you always cut away from yourself so that you don't do what I did and get hurt. And be a big dummy. Let me see, is there one on the bottom? Correct. It is correct. There was one on the top. Oh, this even needs batteries and everything. Oh, good. Oh, goodness. Oh, boy. Okay. Wow. Let me see. Oh, there's still one on the top. Okay. All right. Lights and sound. There we go. I hope you were able to, but that's okay. If not, it's not. I was just cutting film, so I am always hoping, though, that you guys can see what I'm actually doing. All right, so flap. This is actually a pretty big toy. Here we go. This is a rather large toy. These are 3 3/4 inch style figures. These are like G.I. Joe size. So as you can see, here are the two figures. And as you can kind of see, this is a really good sized toy. I don't know. I'm not very good with this kind of stuff, but I think that's probably pretty close to an accurate scale for that, because those helicopters can be pretty darn big. So I'm guessing it's probably not quite. It's probably a little undersized for a real life helicopter like this, but I bet you it's I'm guessing it's probably pretty close. Right. All right, we've got one of our soldiers. Not bad, actually. Some of these dollar ones can be pretty nice, and some can be not so nice. So, I kind of don't want to destroy this box. Okay, these just unscrew. Okay. Because I think what I saw, if I saw this right, I might not have seen that right. I think it's connected. The other figure, the second figure, is connected to the base of the vehicle. I'm not really sure, though. I have to look. All right. Close my knife back up. We're going to flip this upside down again. Or right side up, I mean. Sorry. It was flipped upside down. All right. Okay, good. Yes, good. Okay. All right. And he is tied down to the machine. Okay. Oh, and it comes with some very nice accessories. I don't know where they would go. I don't know where you would put them. I haven't even looked at this thing, so hopefully get a nice little thing here. This once again has a very nice backdrop. That's very nice. Yeah, okay. What I'm trying to do on New Year's Eve of all things, am trying to get all my stuff caught up so that I can from Christmas and everything, all the figures I got and everything. And I'm trying to get everything opened up so that I could throw boxes away and make room for other stuff and do stuff here. And oh boy. This got wrapped around there. Okay. See, I don't want to do too much because it's got because this is a foot sked for the airplane or for the helicopter because it's connected right to the base of the vehicle. Nice rolling wheels. That's kind of a nice plus. Okay, let me see if I can't get it maybe with a scissors instead and can get like the nipping force a little better. I think that was a little better for me here, although you are not stealing these. They are making sure you are not taking these home with you, which is good. That is a better way of doing it so that it doesn't get stolen. Well, I might do that here now. Yeah. Okay. It's going to have its own review, but I might try to really quickly. I'll take this big brute of a thing out of the way, which is still a very nice thing. I'm not trying to complain. An exciting video. Watching a dude cut open his guns from the sprue. But if you're going to actually get one of these, which I actually do kind of recommend doing that. You kind of know what you're getting. Another sprue piece. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh boy, we're getting. And we're gonna have one more little sprue on this one. I think that's what they call these. Very nice shovel. Very nice dagger, which I think it's actually kind of close to I don't think it's the same one, but oh dear, Hit and Run's knife. Now I dropped it, and now I'll probably never ever find it again. I will look for 11 billion years, and I'll probably never see him. What I wish these ones would come with is, if you're going to give us these things and sprues and stuff, give us an ammo box or something, a weapons box to put. Oh, I see this one still has another sprue in it. Man, this one had a lot of sprues. Huh. All right, I was able to just get that off with my finger. Oh, a couple grenades. Okay. Nicely actually molded grenades. These are really kind of nice. Yeah, this video is going a hair longer than I was really kind of shooting for. I was looking to keep this under 5 minutes, but I don't think I'm doing that. No, this is almost 10 minutes already. Oh well, it's not a big deal. I just to try to keep these quick looks. Quick. Although I shouldn't have probably cut. If I was looking to save time, I probably shouldn't have been cutting all the accessories out. However, gives you kind of an idea of what you're getting. It's really quite nice. Really quite nice. This is going to be quite a nice set of things that I got here. Yeah, so, okay, so this, we'll go down there, and this is what you get with this set. And this is not a review, but just doing a thing, and okay, opens them all up. If I had a little more room in my thing. Yeah, that's pretty nice though. That's good. Really nice. Blades, they're nice. They fold up nicely. They fold up really nicely. Don't really know if this actually saves any real room per se, because they're just as long anyway, but okay. Oh, and look at this. Okay. And a carrying handle for your young child, who mostly are going to be watching their dad play with this instead. Well, that's maybe not entirely accurate, but I could still see it. And I could see that happening very quickly. And Dad's liking these things and stuff. They're actually quite nice.
Well, thank you for watching, and we will see you
Next time.
Bye.